Why lipid digestion secrets matter in research. Did you know that understanding how lipids are digested and absorbed can completely change the way you design experiments in lipid-based systems? Let's break it down, step by step. Gastric lipid digestion. Explained digestion starts in the stomach, where enzymes like gastric lipase start breaking down triglycerides into smaller molecules. This initial step is crucial because it prepares lipids for efficient absorption later in the intestine. Without this step, fats remain too complex to be utilized by your cells. How bile salts emulsify lipids. As lipids enter the small intestine, bile salts play a critical role by emulsifying fats into tiny droplets. This dramatically increases the surface area for pancreatic lipase to act on, making digestion far more efficient. Researchers studying lipid delivery systems must consider this natural emulsification process to optimize their designs. What are pancreatic lipase and lipid breakdown? Pancreatic lipase then hydrolyzes triglycerides into monoglycerides and free fatty acids. This step is the heart of lipid digestion, dictating how much fat can be absorbed. Understanding the interaction between enzymes and substrates is key for anyone working with lipid formulations or delivery research. Micelles. The key to lipid uptake. These hydrolyzed lipids assemble into micelles with the help of bile salts. Micelles act like tiny transport vehicles, carrying lipids through the intestinal wall into enterocytes. For scientists, micelle formation is a natural blueprint for designing lipid-based drug delivery systems. Enterocytes repackage lipids. Once inside enterocytes, lipids are reassembled into triglycerides and packaged into chylomicrons for transport in the lymphatic system. This step ensures that lipids can circulate and reach target tissues efficiently. Explore lipid solutions with BOC Sciences. So, now you have a clear step-by-step understanding of how lipids are digested and absorbed. If you're working with lipid research or developing lipid-based formulations, BOC Sciences offers a full range of lipids, custom synthesis services, and lipid-based drug delivery system development. Connect with us to enhance your projects with high-quality lipid solutions. Want to master more cellular transport mechanisms? Don't forget to subscribe for the next deep dive guide with BOC Sciences.